Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Melanie, your SheShed Scrapper, here with another layout for the ScrapRoom design team using this month's Flavors of the Month kit. So I am using the 49 and Market Echoes of Time collection, and once I saw this collection, I had this idea to create a layout documenting my grandpa's Bibles that I inherited. So my grandpa passed away well before I was born, before my parents were even together, actually. And so the picture on the right is a picture of him. And then my grandma passed away 3 or 4 years ago now. And I got my grandpa's old Bibles. One is from 1937 is the date on the front. The other one is actually his military issued Bible. And so what I ended up doing is I took the photo of the Bibles, and actually I can't say I had my youngest take the photos of the Bibles and let him kind of have creativity with the photo. I think I did kind of lead him or guide him to the photo that I actually am going to be using here, with the one Bible open, and then the one with his name on it kind of sitting on it. So kind of fun that he actually took the picture and got to kind of help with this. So I am using just the one piece of pattern paper. I did mat the photo of my grandpa with a purple kind of diamond shaped paper, and then kind of just trying to figure out what to use, what to do to kind of finish the layout. In the embellishment, I did get a couple of great layering pieces, and so that's kind of what I'm going through here. My title is just going to be that Remember. And then I'm just kind of playing around with the pieces that I received. So this pack of ephemera and chipboard, I believe, is from the Flavors of the Month kit. I also get the embellishment kit, which I received a whole bunch of laser cuts here. And then I believe I received even more of the laser cuts in my Shots of Life kit, which is kind of the pocket page kit. So I kind of went through all of the papers, or some of the papers as well, to kind of show you what else I received. But I am actually only using the one pattern paper for the majority of the layout, at least. So I am just going to take these laser cuts and start layering. I absolutely loved having this many options. This isn't normally a collection maybe I would gravitate towards, but I had a lot of fun creating with this layout. I thought the suitcases were cute and appropriate, and then I loved the flowers. Some of the laser cuts are just so dainty that you really do have to be careful when you are removing them from the big sheet. I did kind of rip off some of the leaves, I guess, or the greenery at least, when I was taking them out. Not necessarily in the places that it really mattered, and you could always try and glue them back together, I think, but that is one thing with the 49 and Market laser cuts, that you do need to be careful when you are removing those. So on the right hand side, I had like a doily layering piece and a ticket, so I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add a flower. I had space there that I could overlap my photo a little bit, so I'm going to add just that small flower there. And then on the bottom here, I am going to add a couple of larger floral pieces with kind of I think it's like a tag, I don't know. And I will kind of add something there, but I do plan on journaling about these Bibles in this open space below the photos there. So that is my idea to document that, because I think it is really neat that I have his military issued Bible. And from the looks of it, it looks like my grandma used them quite often because, again, I don't know my grandpa's handwriting, but it looks like my grandma wrote in the Bibles and marked them up, I guess, as she was going through them. So that's kind of neat as well to kind of have her handwriting in them too. So now that the majority of the clusters are done, I just decided to go back through and keep adding all of the really dainty greenery pieces. I really extended that cluster there with those flowers. I extended that down the bottom of the page a little bit. And then I'm going to add some up here to the top as well. So, you know, there's a lot of mixed media look to the paper. And so it was really fun just to kind of keep adding to it. So I did add a couple of smaller ones to the top of that right-hand cluster. And then I will actually go ahead and add one of the long, kind of flowy ones coming down from that flower as well, kind of over top of the ticket a little bit. And then just coming into that flower cluster that is on the paper. So I absolutely loved creating with this one, and I love the outcome of it. And actually, I sent a picture to my mom, and she said she wants one. So I might be creating one similar to this. So definitely check out the ScrapRoom for all of their fun kits. I love kind of dabbling in new collections each month. So get your hands on yours, and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.